your stand bar max at all times so you can get a one-shot punch, but... Well, yeah, and that above your name. When that's depleted, you can see. Your stamina is how much damage you have. Oh yeah, sure. Come here.
Oh, you're my teammate.
Damn.
Hey, it's me and you against the world.
I love you, Vicky, don't worry.
No! Put me down! Why did you kill yourself? I don't want to do this!
No! Dang it! I'm not doing that. I'll sacrifice myself.
Husky King just like disappeared into a poof of smoke.
Come on.
Because I keep forgetting, it's so hard to throw people. It's like...
You gotta remember.
Oh my god, you missed it.
I feel like not being pressed in a corner, that'd be appreciated.
I know, I don't like when I'm in.
There we go. I finally knocked somebody out the fish.
There's an achievement for knocking a certain number of people out.
Oh. God. No trash can.
Sorry, Mayo.
Damn.
There can only be one honor.
Jesus. It just like 30 yards.
Root beer! Root beer!
I'm
Trying to pile up fish in that middle here.
What's happening, John?
Oh, what the hell?
No!
What is happening to the bridge?
How do you live?
I think the physics are a little messed up.
I do like.
Oh, Colton, I'm sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Mayo, I'm sorry. No!
What happened to the bridge? The controls are so weird in this game.
Oh yeah, I think
I changed mine.
I changed mine.
Oh, I kept
Knock
mine
out
the same.
people, never mind.
I like the
Let's go
controls.
through our
I'm a weirdo though.
Hey!
Oh, Spartan, if we die.
Get in the hole! No! Oh,
Why does
Oh,
he
yeah.
he just punched my face?
I'm just gonna let him do that. Yeah. You're a unicorn. You're beautiful.
You know, he wants to plunge me, we're going off the map together. Yeah.
Bro, that
yeah,
alligator
come on.
just saved you, trash bandit.
Yeah.
That's what sniped the fish. He just sniped
Dude, that was a great
Hey,
fish.
Spartan, you should stand still for a second. Never mind.
Sparta, you should stand still. Double whip.
I'm just. Oh, god damn it, stop moving.
No!
Alright,
Hey, make a
Come here.
fish right there.
I knocked out 2 people with 1 fish.
Here, I gotta. If anybody wants a goose, I gotta plunge into this. Free real estate. Oh, you should move. You should.
Game chat volume. I can barely hear you.
You just stuck a plunger.
Forbidden butt plug goose. No, get back here! Don't let you go so easily. Come here, honey. Come on! Let me do it. Yes!
Alright. Push his ass off.
Anybody want to hit a fish on him? Go for it.
Alright, try to get him still.
Okay. He's trying to hit me. No.
How much? You see all those fish?
Alright, don't worry, I got a fish.
Nice!
Here, I'll keep him.
Get back here, come on! No!
Who won?
Knocked off everything, bro.
I'm starting to think that wasn't a fish after it, you guys.
Yeah, sometimes like I threw a fish, you're like, oh yeah, me too, and a bomb just comes flying off. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah! It just knocked off somebody.
Oh.
Great frenzy.
Get up!
What is this? No, get out of the
Oh,
way.
it's a freeze gun. It's a freeze gun. Get it.
No, I got knocked out. No, help me. Why is this such an issue?
Leave my boy alone.
The prison dog!
Oh, how did I miss?
You just walked off the map!
I'm just trying to save you.
He just committed suicide.
He's frozen. wait,
Dog is
come on.
going off. He is hitting
Bro, I'm
hard.
so bad at this game. Come on. Oh, let's go.
Come here.
That got stuck. That was the biggest mistake of his life.
Yo.
Go to
Hey,
my-
man.
Hey, man.
Lose the ball!
It just like knocked him over. It just
My
knocked
camera
him
the
over.
other way.
It's gonna break. The bridge is gonna break.
Oh my goodness.
Hi guys.
Hey, hey, hey,
So what,
TK,
so what brings you here?
Oh my gosh,
What
we
brings you
TK,
guys?
let's just jump off. It's so to control your game.
Please stay on her.
Hang on.
Stay
Hang on,
with
Trash
me.
Panda. No, just stay there.
You think
I am coming for you,
Nice
Goose.
alligator. Throw a bomb at the people at the bottom. Throw a bomb at them.
Okay, I will whenever I get a chance, bro. 4 people through, but
Fight me!
Go
Oh,
ahead,
this
go
is a
up.
bad
Go
idea.
ahead,
This
go
was a
up.
bad
Go
idea.
up.
This.
Damn it, I missed.
Trash Bandit. So sit there. I'm about to get another bomb, okay?
They're just gonna take each other.
That. Oh shit! Get him! No, the
Some elite placement. Yo, had some elite placement with that.
Nate.
Quarterback for the JV.
Man. He just got executed. Oh, hey,
Jets
man.
are hiring. Oh! Oh my goodness! No! No!
I got the
Don't worry,
goose.
Trash
He's
Bandit, I'll
mine.
beat this guy. Come up, Walter.
I don't
No,
need-
no.
No, Mayo! Stay! Mayo! I got you. We're good. Alright, now you can fight. Hello, Sam.
Bye, Walter. I won't know where I got you.
Throw off. Oh,
Nice.
get away from
I
me.
got yous.
I'm dead.
Oh, no backflip!
Bomb there.
I know, it's very
Trash
tasty.
Bandit, please stop crawling on the ground. That's scaring me.
Nah, I'm like a little gremlin.
I just got hit by a fish. Bro, what is this?
Help me.
What is this?
Help me, please.
Whatever this guy's name is, this dog.
No!
Face.
Hi!
Bandit, please.
Hi, how are ya? Have you been here before?
Don't worry, I'll get you.
I will
Don't worry, I
survive!
got you.
No!
No, Trash Bandit.
Please tell me you live. Did he live? He did. That's hilarious.
I'm on
There's a
living.
bomb.
No! Wait, he actually. Here, you.
I'm on living.
Let go.
Who won?
I think it was. Nah, that's Cav.
We won! You guys are doing horrible this game.
Oh, that's you spraying my bad.
Yeah, what are you doing, dude?
I saw a crocodile. I just attacked.
Oh, get the blue one. Get the blue one.
Get
Ow. Oops. Sorry. I mean, sorry.
Plunger!
Martin, come here.
Oh,
No, I'm good. I'm good over here by myself.
Got poop.
Wait, I want to try. Oh, wait, no, wait. Wait, let me see if I can climb across the bridge.
Stop trying to steal it. I have a strong feeling you're gonna die. Was I correct?
Yeah.
Yes, I was.
Where am I? Oh, I'm right
Stay
here.
alive, Pate, stay alive. I almost have a bomb.
Oh, this guy's dragging me by my face.
No, I thought I just knocked your ass out. Oh,
That is not a fair bomb play. Suicide!
Elite bomb placement, that's what that was.
I thought.
Trash Bandit.
Alligator versus alligator. How come I have sunglasses? and you don't?
Get the yellow dog. Got the yellow dog. You knock out.
No! Oh shit. No!
I'm a pretty chill
each other
guy.
out.
You do have to admit.
Who's still alive? Oh.
Ah,
There's a fish for
come
you.
on. Nice.
How the fuck am I getting jumped for?
All right, you ready to join us, Center? All right.
Yes, it did.
They do. That's what I'm saying.
Dude, he's
Yeah.
the Trash Bandit. That would be so perfect.
Oh my gosh, that was too. Oh, dog, I can't wait till they add that crab. I'm gonna be maining that crab.
They're adding a crab?
Yeah, like a crab. It
Oh.
looks so goofy, bro. It's like a pirate crab too.
Nice bar down.
Finally not on the
Same
same
idea.
team, bud. Where are you going?
Oh,
Now I have to kill. Now you're gonna kill me. You win this.
Get up!
Please fight on her. Now. Not too successful.
Come on, swim.
We in the same team?
I'm a crocodile. Why can't I swim? It doesn't make sense.
That's a good question.
Who's on a team with me? Is it me and Trash? Is it me and Trash Bandit?
I tripped the gorilla. Oh shit, the nukes are about to come out.
Hey, bro, how
That is. What if it's gonna kill anybody? I'm gonna try to aim on fish.
It's going down.
I'm not gonna get carried away by water.
Or at least I thought it was. Yeah, it's Smurgy, right?
I think the nukes
Jeffrey
knock
has
anybody
done
up. He's up top.
Oh my gosh. We're sinking.
Oh,
We're sinking.
the monkey arises.
Sinking
How is
gone.
he still alive?
How did the monkey survive a fish? What?
This got to be one of the funniest games I played in a long time.
Oh yeah, it's one of the best.
Dude,
Wow.
Dude, it's a
come on, let me up, let me up, let me up.
Oh, come on! Oh,
This guy does not
get
like
on
me.
the boat! Get on the boat!
Mayo.
Let me snipe him with a fish.
Don't let me die. Don't let me in the other.
How is the dog alive? What?
Where'd he come from?
Swim for my
Oh
life.
my
I don't
god.
There you go. The cow wins.
Let's go.
Wait, hit the cow with the fish. Hit the cow with the fish. Hit him.
It's me.
Where?
Where? Nobody else is alive on the map.
Oh, I died. I was swimming for like a whole 30 seconds.
How do you swim so good?
Trash Bandit, I want it
That's so
first.
Dude,
Great job.
Run!
I drowned immediately.
He's got a grenade.
Nope.
No!
Bang.
Bandit.
Missile!
Trash bandit.
I'm not gonna
Ride
kill
on
you
missile.
this early. Wait, can you ride the missile?
I don't know, I'm gonna find out.
Yes, you can. Oh, no.
Oh, I just got blown to bits by this.
Somehow I'm alive. Oh, hello, spinach. You one-shot anybody.
Jump for the dog.
Yeah. I'm trying to get up there, that won't let me up there. Oh my,
You
how's
may
the dog
need
still
stamina
alive?
to climb. Second rocket,
Just snipe
boom.
me the fish.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, confusion.
Why is this dog following me? What did I do to this guy?
That dog could be
Oh,
done.
yeah. Ow!
Just nailed that guy with the fish and nothing happened.
I know, nothing happening when he nailed me.
Trash bandit, is that you with the crossbow?
Yeah, I'm just
Oh, guys,
spamming
ow.
I
everything.
appreciate you. That guy was getting on my nerves.
He survived
Oh,
5
there we go.
crossbow bolts. How is this man alive? You
just like
are a god, sir. Die! Barrett, please. How are
what
you
just happened to me?
He just
alive?
fell all the way down, bro.
So, I
Come
got no
on, Mayo,
stamina.
get up there.
So how you guys doing?
Nobody's
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't even get down.
Yeah, I think
Bro,
I'll
why is
come
this
join
dog
you
just
guys up top, you know.
Yeah.
He's trying to force you in the cockpit.
He just beat
So
me.
how you guys doing?
Payne, Payne just beat me to death.
Nah, he's just too good. You just threw a fish at me! No, please! No! Swim!
Bro, Payne, bro, do not let this dog win.
Swim!
Shit.
I think Mayo wins.
Yeah.
Mayo wins. Crossbow.
I just immediately 200 pumpkins, dude. Oh my god. Get off my map, Bull.
Ow! Ow!
Get over here. Hello, other otter.
Trash Bandit, I'm not trying to.
These are
attack you,
confusion
I'm just-
arrows.
Sorry, Trash Bandit. Or Bandit.
You're
whatever.
fine. You're not gonna kill me this early on. Guys,
Get up!
why can't I climb?
Get up!
Alright, I'm leaving you.
Get up.
This is bad.
Oh, thanks. All right.
I think if you spam attack buttons, it makes you get up faster. It could be
Hey,
incorrect.
let's go out through that dog.
He was precise with it. Oh, bye-bye.
Oh my god, I just got launched by a missile.
We're still alive.
Yeah, that's why you don't like being up top. Oh, Jetman just wrecked me. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day, other
I
otter.
could have saved you, but you know.
Yeah, you would have died with me, so not, but that's cool. Can I climb on top of this? I saw that fish, whoever just threw it on me.
No. No.
They won't let me climb. What is my guy doing right now?
Alright, everyone.
Drowning.
Throw fish at them. Don't throw fish at me. Barely appreciate
No, get up!
I'll prove it.
it. Get down. Okay. I'm sorry. Cool, underneath.
What? Oh my god, the fish! The fish came out of nowhere! The fish came out. What the? Oh my.
Hello.
Wow.
Whoever's
Give me
throwing
that
a
dog.
fish at me,
Give
your
me some-
mom's a hoe.
Why can't Peyton just beat me to death?
Wow, that fish is way off.
Go swim! Swim! Okay, that does not work. Okay, get back on the platform. I just hear your
Still
voices,
alive.
man.
Come on, Mayo. Jump up! Jump up!
I'm drowning!
Nice. The fish. I'm just.
I just hear your
Hey,
voices
Trash
in the
Man,
back of my
we-
head.
You gotta pull this through, man.
Oh.
Oh,
Jet, I'm
Nice.
sorry.
who hit me with the shovel? Oh,
That was me.
Hello.
I'm sorry. Trash Bandit.
The show.
Is that you?
Gotcha!
oh my god. dude, that
I win this round, Spartan!
How did you
There you
fly
go.
across?
Jet, do you want help? Yeah, don't worry, I got you.
That's what we call running away like a coward.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm beating the fuck out of
Oh,
the
move
for
it!
you.
Oh crap!
Whoa. Or cow. Why are you throwing
Don't
that
worry,
fish?
Jet, I killed the alligator. Don't get near me.
The missile blew me now.
He told him. He told you not to get near him in his defense.
Hey, you're gonna have to
I
stop
say
it.
don't get near me with shovel.
Root beer,
If
no!
I have a weapon, I am just... No. Drop the shovel!
Double tap RT, double tap RT, double
Yeah,
tap RT.
I was gonna say, you know how to drop stuff?
I do, it just wouldn't let me.
I'm sorry, dog. It's a fight. Never mind, it's not a fight.
Why? Don't sacrifice yourself.
Hey,
For me?
come on, Trash Panda. Take it home, take it home.
Fight me. I'm ready. I'm ready. Square up. Square up. Come on.
Come on, Trash Panda, take it home, take it home, take it home. I got him. No, I don't.
You do
Bro, I
not
don't
go.
Oh, who threw me with the fish? Come on.
Colton, you got this.
Come on, Trash Panda.
Colton, you got this.
Bye-bye.
Alright, just start throwing fish at Trash Bandit because he's already won. I have it aimed directly at his eyeball right now.
Nice try. I'm too good. I'm too good, baby.
Who threw that fish?
Trash Panda, we
The
can take
target
this
was right
one.
at you.
We just gotta...
Trash Bandit, you might not want to be up there.
I know.
I
I
have
want
the
to
shovel.
fly.
I know. Oh my
Trash Bandit, you just want to like...
Oh my god.
Whee!
Trash Bandit, was it fun?
Wait, oh wait, you get knocked out from that?
What are you doing down there?
Not so well.
Oh, that was just selfish on my part. Oh, he's still alive.
The turbine.
No, I'm on your team.
Bart, do you want to fight?
Hold
Don't
on,
wanna
let me-
fight?
Oh my gosh! I just got shot when I first. I'm dead.
Yeah, I died as well.
I'm not even gonna pick up
We
a
should
weapon.
just throw
It didn't
fish
go
at
so well.
them. Nope.
Alright, you guys need to carry me to a win.
Okay, wait, we gotta get Jazz here. You see him? We can get Jazz here. Get, oh, I missed. We gotta make sure yellow wins. Why are they fighting each other? I don't know if he knows how to put on weapons or not.
No, you're good.
Dude, I was really hoping a fish just we knocked him off, dude. That was one of the funniest things ever.
It's a crocodile versus an otter.
I guess I
Yeah.
I choked myself.
Headbutt that guy. Headbutt that
My
guy.
glasses came off. Oh!
Don't worry.
It works.
You got knocked out now. Shit. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of this. Come on.
Fight him, dog.
No,
Win.
I'm not.
Win. Puff.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's over. It's over.
Why was that crocodile a stripper? I hit the croc. No, the otter. Anybody have a fish? Throw it. Throw it.
I don't got no fish.
It's a wrap. Hold on. It's over. Hold on.
You spin me right
Yeah.
round, baby, right round like a record player,
Just
baby.
spinning.
Spin me.
We did so good. I did so good this game.
Get out the way.
What's
Let's
up? Let's
go,
run it
baby.
out. Let's stick together. Let's go.
It's my TV. What is that bull?